Good morning, good day to everyone that is watching this live stream. Day to you. Welcome back to our New York trading live streams. Today we're gonna have another go at the different trading instruments that we have. Of course, we're looking at some top trades made in Excelsius, and as well as on King Sand server with our Blue Palm Institute coach Nick. So we're gonna be looking at some of his signals setups. Oh, I set this up. Works. Right. We're gonna be starting with Euro USD today. So I'm gonna be starting from majors to crypto to our different pairs here, looking at all the pairs, as well as exotics, indices, and of course our precious and commodity. A bit. Apologize for the pause there. Let's go back. All right, Euro USD. You have for hmm. I could just of how many go to you buy. Price is hitting highs. Price pull back down. any wicks there. Okay, look for some cells. Break down this one. Have to break this for our flow here. Yes, places to take entry. One. At our next guy. Uh, down. What happened to you? Oh, this is been calling this the wrong pair the whole matter. Why? Oh, let's Celsius tell us possible rejections. Rejection entry here. I do not like it, to be honest. How much volume we have from here. I guess best entries would be of these lower highs here. Highs. Break out of this momentum. Yep. You don't want to be stuck in a ring at the same time. Morning, King Jade. Just looking at some GU here. Looking at all my majors. Euro USD, UJ, GU. I do not like how GU looks. But I might go. Yeah. Finish all of the. This one. Ooh, it. But this close on my. Oh, I didn't. That was a good. Euro. Yeah. Not looking the best. I am in it for some rejection entries here, as you can see. Guys, price just broke out of these lows here, but we are in those rejection zones, so it's not very looking, it's not looking very hopeful here for those sells because of these next key points here, which are the weekly and daily higher lows. if price does eventually hit down here, that's good because like we could look for buy entries or buy entries. It's just gonna bounce back. Your spec on these rejection zones is crazy too. Like every time it hits back. So now that we're really in it, and then taking into account our trading strategies that we learned, those weekly higher lows and daily higher lows would make it a good setup for some buys. Oh yeah, I heard your election is coming up there too. So doesn't really help. Well, at the end of the day, just look at it as an opportunity because there's always an opportunity no matter what events that are happening. I'm gonna stay away till Sunday. Wait, it's like, is it this week? Elections there are this week? Wait, elections for what? I'm a bit okay. I think I have everything confused. Oh, okay, okay. Well, anyway, I'll leave it at that. If you want to check, I also made some rejection entries for UJ as entries below price levels here. I also have 2022 France presidential elections. Oh, so that's why it's affecting euro. Okay, okay. Thank you for confirming that. So, yeah, because like we also have elections are close here in the Philippines, so I thought, you know, whatever. I just woke up, so I'm still a bit not clear right now. But one thing is clear, my trade. Definitely gonna get back into everything. Finally had have some more time this month. Starting this month, I'll be able to manage a lot more. Might even seeing me more on the group chat posting some setups. Let's go back to US. At any pairs that you would like to look at today, King, you do, let me know. And let's go ahead and do another trade breakdown as AUD okay, that's part of the majors. Thank you for that. I will go ahead and check that after I finish ad. Also, CAD has been ranging since 2000 to get some of the plays here, but not as. And we are approaching a lot of fucking higher lows. Those. For some buys here. Turn on. Wow, look at that. Such a bit for a buy. Taking it from there. Shit. Shit, that was a really good play. How much is that? 128 pips. Damn. Oh, well, there goes another one. That curve there. Curve entries are fairly new. Okay, if you don't know these yet, this like this I remember this started one of the live streams I shared this. I saw this pattern on UJ, yeah, UJ, but UJ's was like going down, then going up. So, yeah. Well, here the other way around. Huh. The curve is in. That's pretty new. Okay, let's go to AUD USD. Off Celsius. Hmm. Which was the pair that I shared the other day? Zero eight. Hey. Please. Do you have any questions at all to King J, that you'd like to get clarified, third head and shoot. And to everyone that's watching the live stream, welcome, welcome. There's something that you don't understand me doing here. I can try to explain as well. Bias? Okay, what's your bias here? Are you looking for buys or sell, my friend? Because I'm looking nice buys here. An entry. Third, I believe this is a 3rd point play. Reference it to BPI. Yeah. Okay. Shoulders. E. I would definitely look for some buys here. If price breaks above that blow, price breaks above this 4-hour lower high, as a proper break and read following after this impulse, possible to say that we can price hit this. I'm gonna off of the pick there. Try and see my fib. Continuation sell. But now we are forming for counter candle. Okay, try and see continuations. So breaking off of this daily higher low here. So these were our past higher lows. Broke down. Okay, we got 2 candles off of that break. 2 daily candles. I believe the continuation already happened. It already happened. Okay, from this here. Price break of about 93 pips. Price is retracing with our newest daily candle, which is this one. But if you are still looking for sells, I would look at it on lower time frames, such as the 1 hour. Still not looking good. Maybe even the 15. Alright, 15 looks a lot more better. A lot better than 1 hour. So probably below this. So if we go below this impulsive movement here, and here, since we have range, saw that volume here. This or sell. 30. Still not looking hot. Yeah, definitely we could still look for some of those continuations. Thank you for pointing that out. Yeah, I wouldn't have seen that. They didn't say anything, but yeah, we did just get them. So for cells again below that area that I just showed, And for buys, do it above this time. Reason I'm looking for buys is if you look at the daily, right? Daily says we are still bullish. And if you see what just happened here is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So who's to say this isn't just another higher low forming for that bigger long term? Go to the weekly, right? Same thing. Have another 4-point trend. 1, 2, 4. Could be fifth point that we are looking for that push to go back above. This is just a different perspective for everyone here on the live stream. We are not trying to be, just one perspective though, not a biased trader. We try to look at all opportunities. So if we're looking for sells, again, I would do it on the lower time frames because 1 hour and 2 hour do shows better structure because of this impulsive move. I would do it on the 15th. Probably here. Set up some shorts. That. Price. Then creates new lower highs. Set. Oh, 6. Might be able to lower high. 22. 1 and link that I sent you. Link that you sent. Did you send it on chat? Or did you send it to me? I don't see it, King. I'm sorry. But also looking for buys. So after we get a break of 749. Somewhere here. You're looking for that break above this lower high. Yeah. Yeah, you could. I just set it up as earlier as possible. you know, don't want to miss some trades. You know that feeling? Yeah. Yep. Exactly. Get it. You got it. I did put a fib retracement here because big fan of fibs. Wanna reincorporate them. So if fib is showing me this, great area to look at that respect. How close they are to the break above here. Skyrocketing to the moon. I keep forgetting that I can. No worries, you can just send it over on the Discord server so I can see it there. And to anyone that's watching as well, you can join our Discord server. We have a link. I'll link right now actually. Send a new link. Anyone that wants. If you have not joined yet, go ahead and. Okay, let's look at our trade setup from last week. Last week? Yeah, last week. Euro AUD. Oh, nice. Was this on the 1 hour? I have no idea. When was this? Our time frame. This was on. This was 5 days ago. Yeah. Price hit up to where? 81, 83. Price is going back down. I did not take this trade. I believe we were close to. It was a good decision. Although price did go back up. Price is now currently below our break for our price entry. Let's go ahead and look at. So I did tell this a while ago. We're gonna look at one of the pairs, one of the signals. I mean, that Nick sent. So he just sent one just this morning, about 20 minutes ago. He sent two actually. One is on USD CHF and Euro CHF. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at USD CHF because it's part of the majors. So that's what we're doing today. Now looking at all the majors. So let's do a quick chart markup. Off for now. And guys, if you have any questions at all, so the tool that I just used, that is the main tool we use in our trading, which is Excelsius. Excelsius, the man. What this wick? What a wick! What a wick, everybody. No. Oh, you just stop loss, you'd be profit as well. It depends how. Yeah, that's right. Your a euro a so much Excelsius. Excelsius. Uh, 1 week. This So Nick is looking for some sell level. Type of a rejection plate. Because price just hit high, taking this on. Is this the 4 hour? I believe it's a 4 hour, yeah. Okay, let me just open his chart real quick. Give me a sec, guys. Oh, it's on the 15 minutes that the lower high. Alright, on the 15 minute entry. Okay, so it is already. So this is definitely a high risk play. Entry was somewhere done here. Stops were set up 9354. One, then prices 1950. Okay, and there we have it. So this is our signal for today over at Pink Sand server. Again, we have the link there if you guys want to join. So definitely the price is trying to break below areas here, and it did break, give us a big momentum here. That impulsive move, bearish candle, but on for higher time would live like price to break below, not broke 4-hour higher low. Really, if and when price breaks below here, confirms the trade once, then down below. Definitely more of that bearish. Looking at institutional volume, yeah, this is a very nice. You guys want to take this trade as well, go ahead. But for that, this is not financial advice. Always take a trade and always use the signals with proper trade and risk management. We recommend never risking more than 1 to 2% of your account. Don't be one of those guys that tries to, go all in on a single trade. I do. Right, guys, do you have any other pairs that you would like to go ahead and look at today before we end the live stream? Pretty good day. Pretty good day. It's Tuesday, a lot of market correction and market development. We did not have a live stream yesterday due to technical reasons, but today is a good day, I believe. So if we want to look at our different markups for this week, we have Euro USD for buy setups above this 4-hour lower high. I'm gonna put another retracement here just to check tension. Yep, above here. Have another on UJ for those projection entry. So this 4-hour lower higher low. GU for, yeah, because of this, a lot of volume here, this area. So pretty high risk if you're looking for buys. Buys would be advised probably above this area. We put a tension here. So it's pretty close. It's too close to the right here is very sensitive. You can confirm it with a lot of patients, institute volume, a lot of buyers and sellers, a lot of our can. No bueno. USD CAD. CAD for some buys and sells below here for those continuing in place. Third point play. I did not actually. Yeah, probably. Then so this is one of the plays that we checked today with King Jade. For some buys and sells. For some buys, we are looking to get some entries above these areas here, 74857 or 74929. And then for sells on the 15 minutes, so on a shorter time frame instead, for a continuation play below this area here, 742, just to get below this range bound area. Then last one, of course, just the HF for those cells.